Hey, what is up, guys? Eric Green here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Again, Eric Green with the Master Plan Affiliates, myself, my business partner, Paul Turner. Wanted just to do a really quick video today. One of the things Paul and I are in the middle of doing is, or we do kind of behind the scenes, outside of building our own products, building money trees, using AI, is we work with marketers behind the scenes, sort of quietly. So we're actually working with Lori and Wes Benson. They're seven-figure network marketers, and they're launching their Talk Fusion business, which is a network marketing company. So Paul and I are in the middle of building out a team page for them, building out some campaigns and doing some stuff behind the scenes. But what I wanted to do, and Paul's just kind of started working on this page for them, but what I want to do is I wanted to share with you how easily and quickly you can, if you want to turn, say, a web page or something like that, you want to create, or a doc or something like that, you want to create an audio file, sort of podcast style, but a brief audio file. I'm going to show you how to do that on NotebookLM real quick. So with this particular page, right, most of the copies on here, we need to add a little bit more. But if I highlighted just all that copy, okay, and then I came over to Notebook LM, okay, and that's just at notebooklm.google.com, right? This is free, and I hit create new, okay. Down here, I could do a link, so I could put the link to that page. If you have a Google Drive, you have documents, you can upload documents directly to this. I'm just going to go ahead and paste the text that I grabbed from their website, and I'm going to insert that, okay. And it should title the notebook for me here. Now you notice on the right hand side here, I have a couple of different options: audio overview, video overview, mind map, which is kind of cool, and then obviously some reports. I'm going to focus on audio overview, but I'm going to click this little pencil for edit. And what it's set at or defaulted at is deep dive, a lively conversation between two hosts that will actually do a podcast regarding the information that you give it. But what I want is a brief, a bite-sized overview to help you grasp the core ideas from your sources quickly. So I'm a guy that's audio. So one of the things that I do, obviously, you can create this for marketing content, but I like to, if I have a doc that's 5 pages long, just give me a brief overview. I just upload the doc, copy and paste the content, and then I just have it give me a brief overview. That way, while I'm working, I can just play that audio in the background. And again, that I learn better that way. I'm more audio and visual. I don't want to sit and read through, which I'm opposite of my business partner, Paul. He loves to read through. I don't want to read through entire pages of content, right? I'd rather either see it visually or just hear it. So audibly. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Okay. And it will begin to generate a brief audio description of what's going on with that. And we'll listen to that as soon as it's ready. But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click the mind map too, which is really cool. So again, you can upload any documents, you can upload, you can copy and paste content. If you've got stuff in your Google Docs, you can upload your docs. But here's a real cool little, it'll put together a really cool little mind map for you, and break it out. So, you know, this is very cool. Kind of breaks it out into chunks as to what you're dealing with, either on a website or something like that. So it just sort of breaks everything down. So that's pretty cool. It'll also do a video overview, which is kind of cool as well. But again, what I'm focused on is sort of the audio piece. Okay, so um, let's take a look while we're waiting for that audio piece. I can click on reports here, create my own a briefing doc, a study guide, or a blog post. So it will create all of these different types of reports for you based on the content you give it. Okay, pretty powerful stuff. So let's look at that one more time. So if I wanted to create a blog post, let's just see if we wanted to edit that. Choose language, describe the report. Okay, it's already kind of set up for that. So I could, I'm going to just go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and click to have it create a blog post while we're waiting for the audio to to come. And I don't want to pause the video, so um, we'll have that working. So as you guys can see, this is powerful. It's all in the way that you decide to use it, right? I mean, there's so many uses for Notebook LM. It's insane. But again, one of the things that I like to do from just a educational standpoint, with without having to read tons of different, tons of information, is to take that document, that website, whatever it is, put that data um, in here, and then again set up a audio that I can listen to. Okay. Now, from a marketing perspective, there's so many things you can do. You can see I'm generating a blog post from this, but if you wanted to create an audio or a video overview of whatever it is, it could be. And it looks like it's ready. So let me do this. Let me go ahead and open this and play it real quick because that was the point of this video. So
this is the brief on the 1 Minute Pay Club.
me.
Okay, so let's dive into this, right? It's a direct sales opportunity, and it's led by some really successful folks. Lori and Wes Benson were talking 7-figure earners. The whole idea, to give you instant earnings, like globally, and fix some of those big headaches you often see in this industry. So they're really trying to tackle those common frustrations. And here's what makes it kind of different. First off, the big draw is instant payment. Seriously, it flips the script on direct sales because it gets rid of all that physical product stuff. No shipping delays, no inventory nightmares. Imagine getting paid in minutes, not waiting around for months. And they use quick videos to make the sales process super streamlined. And
you guys can see how powerful that is. So that can be obviously if I'm just trying to learn, and have it, audio, back to me, everything that I need to know about that particular piece of content, great. But this could also be a marketing piece. I could take this and it could be turned into a little, audio marketing piece that people could send out to potential prospects. So this is something that I can produce or we can produce for them to add to their marketing assets. So simple, guys. Just wanted to share this with you. Hope you got some value from it. Have a great day. And if you need any help, let us know. And I would encourage all you guys to join our newsletter. We put out a lot of stuff on how we're actually using, not fluff, but what we're actually doing to build our multiple businesses, whether it work with our behind the scenes clients, all the stuff that we do. We share that, all the AI, everything that we're doing, we share that with folks through our newsletter. So if you go to masterplanaffiliates.com and just go ahead and join the newsletter, we send out 2 emails a week. So we don't kill you with emails. Send out 2 value-based emails a week that you should get some great value from and help you with you and your business. All right. You guys have a fantastic day and appreciate you watching.